My name is Sarah Rose, and these are my thoughts in a completely authentic and not awkward way.
So I'm going to talk about what went well and what we could have done differently.
Just apparently, you get to design and work more and be very, very happy about it. When you work on designing, training, you get more color on the screen. So that's why I'm here. So many people are saying nowadays that, school programs are easy because we have AI to do it for us. But we actually have to learn how to use AI instead in almost every software that we learn. And each AI is different. So it's like working with a new coworker every new semester, and you have no control over the personality and no one to complain to. One of the best parts of the MIST program was how much I got to build, not just on my own, but with a team. For an online program, the sense of community was real. We shared feedback, solved problems together, and made things that mattered. And now, it's hard not to see everything through the lens of an instructional designer, where there's always room to refine, improve, and iterate. Luckily, this program welcomes that mindset. Why did I decide to create a capstone that will eventually be a book of the Instructional Designer's Field Guide? I am doing all of this work now so that later I can just point to the book, which I'm hoping to be spiral bound, easy to flip open, and which means in the best way, when someone comes to your desk and wants to verify while you're working, you can just point at the book that's been left open because you're using it, and you don't have to say anything. Right now, I'm doing a survey, which has been approved by the IRB.
Which wasn't stressful at all.
We're doing all this data collection because apparently to start as an instructional designer is really hard because we've learned all this theory, and then we go to try to do the job, and we don't know how. I got into training because I absolutely don't really like eLearning. If we could make games fun and movies fun and singing fun and learning's not, but now learning's digital. Well, we haven't bridged those effectively. There's all this fun and with not fun. So the better we can get training and get better at making it, then the more that we have time and energy to include fun discovery. So let's get everybody, including myself, make it better and fun, so that we don't dread the monthly e-learning course on all the ways how not to leave my laptop in my car. Welcome to the MIST program. Was that good? I can probably not do it again. Okay, great. Okay, great. Thanks.